Hello, everyone. If you are looking for a high-quality wireless mechanical gaming keyboard, you are at the right place. I present three gaming keyboard models that offer unique functions to fulfill your requirements. Tcer's keyboard game. This 80% TKL keyboard is equipped with a red switch and offers adaptable backlight for an immersive gaming experience. With a wired USB-C and wireless 2.4 GHz connectivity, it offers you the freedom of movement and at the same time guarantees an optimal reaction. With the second product, the TMKB T63 Mechanical Wireless Gaming Keyboard. This compact 60% keyboard offers great versatility with its 2.4 GHz Bluetooth connectivity and Type-C. With blue switch and RGB backlight, it has style and performance for a unique player experience for those who have a practical keyboard. And search for aesthetic wireless gaming keyboard. For those looking for the sophistication, you will find the keyboard, gamer mechanical, RGB rear lighting. Switches and 68 keys offers an extraordinary precision and reaction for an uncompromising gaming experience. An ideal choice for professional players who are looking for a high performance. The style and technology combined, looking for style and technology, there's necessarily a model that suits you. Thank you very much for seeing us soon for new high-tech discoveries.